Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be finally working on the JZX again. So for you guys that don't know me personally, I'm not even on my fulls yet, so I can't actually drive this car on the road. Hence why there hasn't been a lot of content on the vehicle since, you know, the first revealing of the car. So today I've just gone and picked up some CST wheels. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 22 plus 23. So full set, square set, and I've also got some teen coilovers to install today. I got the CSTs full set for $1,000 with tyres. The tyres are huge though. And then the coilovers, so the teens, I paid $200 for those to suit the JZX110 obviously. $200 for teen coilovers in good condition. The rubbers on them look sweet, no major, like they're not leaking, they're not pissing out, they look pretty good. So yeah, so I'm going to pull this out the shed now. We can see the standard height with the standard wheels, so we have something to compare it to once we lower it and then once we put the wheels on. So very excited. Like I said, I have not touched this thing purely because I can't drive it really. So I get my fulls in about roughly less than 2 weeks, which is pretty exciting, so I can finally drive it. Like all round good condition, just need a slap of paint. Once they're painted, it'd be sweet. Quick little spray down, quick little degrees. Going pretty good actually. You can tell they haven't been used heaps, but I just don't know why they were $200. Jack stands, jack, tools, rattle gun, jack the rear up, and then yeah, we'll start slapping these coils in. So I just thought I'd slap the wheels on at standard height. That is not a good look. Oh wow. I think I'm going to struggle fitting these, no matter what. Coilovers or not, but I think you get the idea. Pretty big. It's alright, we'll slap these in and go from there, I guess. We've removed this rear boot liner to get to the rear strut tower bolts. There's 3 bolts. They're a, what are they? I think they're a 14mm. You need a long socket. Crack those off, and then once they're cracked and ready to come out, on that lower arm there's that 1 bolt there, which you'll be able to drop that spring out. Passenger side rear's in. Now we're going to go over to this other side. Alrighty, so both sides are done. I'm going to slap a set of CSTs on it and lower it down and see how low it went. I suppose it's a bit better, but it's not great. Alright, so that's with the rear coils in. It definitely didn't lower it at all. Like, it's still pretty standard, but the wheels definitely look good. Tyre size are a bit big. I don't know, for street duties and stuff, they're a bit aggressive. Like the actual rim sticks out, you know, a good inch so from the guards. But obviously we haven't put any camber in it at the moment. It still needs to come down, you know, 20 mil, you know, a good 2 finger lengths to sit flush. But then we're, you know, kind of running into that zone of where you're going to get picked on for being too low. But at the end of the day, we're experimenting. I picked these up real cheap, so I'm not going to have any issues selling them. Especially in these sizes. Everyone loves these sizes. That's hot. Right, so we lowered it at about 35mm extra on the actual coilover, so I don't actually know the difference in height once it's on the floor, because it's maxing out on my guard at the moment. So obviously that tyre is huge. So it's a 245 45 with non-rolled guards. So yeah, it's just sitting on those guards, but it looks wicked. They do fit pretty well, eh? They do fit fucking mint. All right, you got me. Whew. That looks good, eh? Camera doesn't do it justice.
Once you fucking
put a smaller tyre on that.
Even if you do go to a 225, like,
true.
I'd definitely do a 225 on the front.
Yeah, it's another thing, front. Still have to fit that on the front.
You'll have more camera on the front though.
Yeah.
That's perfect though.
It's hot.
That's literally perfect.
We just ripped out this front guard lining on both sides, just because it's just going to cause us trouble. And then we've taken the top bolts off the struts. And then we're going to go walk over to the servo and get a little bevo, because it's fucking hot. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Leave it on the ground.
Obviously it's not on the ground yet, but it's not going to work, man. It's not going to fucking work. Thank God that's going. I hate that, eh?
The old snorkel.
It's disgusting. Oh. Oh. Maybe I did like it. I'm not going any lower than that. I'm not going any lower than that. Absolutely fucking not.
Yeah, fucking over.
No way. Not for a 3 car. They're not happening.
You're gonna drive it and settle it as well. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking dial that. It's can't be right. We just have to get more running.
Hey! That looks fucking sick. Alrighty, so quick update. We went for a blocky, well, about a quarter of a blocky, and it was just, what's the word? Like
Running like fuck.
Literally Dutching the whole street out. So we ended up actually blowing the tyre out because it's actually rubbed through that much. So it's fucked this tyre. We had to walk around the block and get the stockies. And dude, that is too low. That is fucking stupid. Oh, turbo!
He's gonna be like, fucking cool.
That looks tough though.
Once you do a 40 on the front, it'll be like not even that low.
Hey! Cockhead! Dude, that's crazy. That should look sick. Let's see how we go getting up this fucking thing. God, this thing's low. Shit, man.